다 가장기 최내마 내년쯤에 송주의 가장 천마 샤인.
We will continue with the teachings on the Torch of True Meaning from where we left off yesterday.
yapsaydı yonsu tabi lama şeyle çömadı nyamdoyu ve lama şeyin zaya lama sonu çilemnin jude lama dingwene susu gyoyi inya rong sangye sasu gyuba ingya rong ranga sangye su kone sohan deblina sangye sasu idam gelano dojilo menti kusungdo le jesu shuna dojun zaba yin jabe shilongle ngamo doji changwa de tela nyezi simjenga de ngala nyezi be ngene tigung tuzu bang sheda ngane de lyune de druba shene chebale drubu shene chebale tenye de rang yu lege druba ta che do she sumbe rang lama de yena sangye tamje nye tela diksana sangye tamje le diksaba de keme chena sangye tamje chebe sonam tamje rang druba se kade ju taye bane chong ru lama khona la ra le je tela mugu de cheba so chebe phe ba do me ba sonde gyule 강게 러금라 건발래 라메고라 미범마이나 동 야라 동게 차면로라 닌줍데바 사투르 라메 선드블레즈 존규나 니범문차 차미니시 강시 조금 깨버 건바와 라마라 심기도 샤좀 동라 니슈 차미베도 셰다 존셀레 레기보 상게 좀 된데 초주는 진니슈 받아 상게 좀 된데 되는 유고다 손을 투도제를 중에 손함기 공부 진니버테 대회야 러병기 법이 부가지고 사람 개발도 봐서 뒤지 지시나 여기 뭐 전주기 때문에 상객이 22년으로 교화오 세송 티바치 중에 너도 되게 라마다 상하지 유루명한데 라마니라 유년민이 개발 주세를 집업의 개매 자동 답이 탐지 냠만님 써와요 랑원이 이게 라마 이게 자야라마 코나는 걸 숨주매 라마 자야라마 코나는 걸 숨주매人按你问个虚情的全这有这个拉嘛呢自动挡不送语音呗多去俺去蒙用看虚呀虚心定的啥吧你开窍了那全这面的那个拉嘛没预备拉嘛呢自动语音的民容没故说带的美容
Even if you are not able to hear the Dharma from a famous guru, such as a lineage holder, if you take another guru who has experience and realization as your root guru, you will receive the blessings. Whether the guru is actually an ordinary being or an emanation of a Buddha or a Bodhisattva, if you pray to him while meditating that he is a Buddha, all the Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, and Yidam deities will enter the body, speech, and mind of that Vajra master and work for the benefit of beings. From the Mukhagama of Manjushri. Any sentient being who belittles a Vajrabhara of the future belittles me, so therefore I abandon them for all for a time. And I dwell in his body and receive the offerings of other practitioners. Those who please him will purify the karmic obscurations in their own being. Thus pleasing your guru pleases all the Buddhas. If you commit a wrong against him, it is no different from committing a wrong against all the Buddhas. Also, if you offer to him, you gain the same merit as from offering to all the Buddhas, and your obscurations will be extinguished. Innumerable sutras and treatises say that our attainment of supreme siddhi depends solely upon the Guru, and that immeasurable benefits accrue through our devotion and offerings to him. It says in the Tantras, meditating on 100,000 deities' bodies is not worth even 100,000th part of focusing undistracted on the Guru's body. Reciting the approach and accomplishment 100 billion times is not even 100,000th of the power of supplicating the Guru thrice. Meditating on the completion phase for eons is not even a 20,000th part of the Guru merely appearing in your mind. From the clear lamp, Child of noble family, greater than the mass of all the Bhagwan Buddhas who dwell in the 10 directions, and the merit born from the Vajra body, speech, and mind of all of those Bhagwan Buddhas, is the merit of a single pore of the Master. If you ask why this is so, child of noble family, bodhicitta is the essence of the Buddha's wisdom. Generally speaking, there is no difference at all between a guru with whom you study the sutras of the Mahayana and foundation vehicles, and a guru from whom you receive the transmissions and instructions of the secret mantra, other than a slight difference in their significance. When we talk about gurus against whom you can commit the first root downfall and break samaya, this depends upon yourself. So such gurus are not necessarily identified as your root guru alone. Once you have received a tantric empowerment, you must guard against the first root downfall for all the gurus with whom you have dharmic connections. Thus, no matter how much or little dharma from the sutras of the tantras you may have received, from then on it is important to not accumulate any misdeeds. Even if you have no dharmic connections to them, the lineage gurus may not be your own gurus, and thus you may not be able to commit a downfall with regard to them. Even so, it is never right to belittle or criticize them, or so forth.
제 심정이 꽤납니다. 마르셰tin지 참인지 곰. 그 주거를 슈색이 꽤납니다. 주직입니다. 자월셰베 연대 코너를 삼는 제수이랑 무구차 개발을 라메 꽤납니다. 파바테베 또 개발은 저 자기엔도네. 동순기 심정 탐지기 도바 초바의 최대 탐지 시관 전주선발제를 매번 님이 최대 전주선발의 제야로 예바게되면 죄나 냐옹무도 류바상하게 바로 고 카지는 나게를 제베 제르라 쉬영하장하게 매번 유로 시에송비 지리기부 담발을 매번 예바바도매 그 전주선발 양그 상하지 내주로 유체니 제야 기부 담바 다 난게 내주를 내가 가나 수이 미시 조배상게 내지마도 가사신기 가사게 최 미시버 송배 수퇴되랑 안에다 고바담나 신기인데 참에디 신규라 따바디 랑풍의 춘이인도베 랑준 바시기 자라소도 계시낭 다다 운순도 라마라 대바미지 최제라 다나메 버글 민되버 도마 토로가 신기게 자르통 시기엔 미상바다 치당에 바중 신기 군대부 유도 교바다 라마 규베된 신라 다나 차오규라 디기니라 정수기 중 탐지기 뒤구르지동체 시기엔상시 다리버서는 미럼도 통지되반데라.
Generally, do not examine a sentient being's faults. Know them to be your mothers, be grateful, and meditate on loving kindness and compassion. In particular, do not analyze the faults of anyone who has started to practice Dharma. Knowing that we are like people in the same boat, think only of their positive qualities, rejoice and have devotion. Especially, do not examine the Guru's faults. It says in the Noble Sutra of the Mudra engaging in producing the power of faith, criticizing a single bodhisattva has greater negative consequences than stealing the possessions of all the sentient beings in the billion-fold universe and destroying all the stupas. Those who, due to whatever circumstances, develop contempt for and revile a bodhisattva will be reborn in the wailing hell with a body 500 leagues in size and 500 heads, mouths, and tongues, and each of their tongues will be plowed by 500 plows. Thus insulting holy beings is an incalculably great offense. Insulting bodhisattvas in particular, and yogis of the secret mantra especially, is far graver. Furthermore, we do not know who may be a holy person or who may be practicing yoga internally. It is said that other than a perfect Buddha, no individual is able to truly measure another. Thus speaking badly of and criticizing anyone else sweeps away your own positive qualities. Examining faults in others is self-destructive by nature, so it is important to post a watchman to examine solely your own faults. We can see now that many undesired things befall everyone who lacks faith in the Guru and perceives Dharma practitioners impurely. Others see them as adversaries. They die in unpleasant ways amid ill omens. They are the target of everyone's criticism. But all those who respectfully serve a guru and perceive others purely are naturally happy and have good reputations. Everyone praises, respects, and reveres them, and they die in pleasant circumstances amid excellent omens. These things we can see and hear for ourselves.
유고메 손에 라마 상계 수동에 상계 이치름주 전주 선발 동안 전주 선배치라도 주도 동안 주도 이치름 수수기 위 계시 상보점도 동안 대다 준비 치름주 무규면은 치럽 예민주 벌써 대나 자야라마 대라라베 상계 신시 로스 예바 더부 메인바 조주 뒤숨기 구조모 리번 뒤병 오이 군적이 내나 못하면 대담지 자야라마디 넘버르바 이 대를 맞아 다다 초군을 로준제비 기분 남다 니더즈메 추섬수제 라멘남르 라라 원루티의 지로 로바 인제 자라메 구역거버 메디 도나 상계에서 타제바다직 상계 이덤 거유 고마송 원서체 라라 셰미 마든 숭마트 가든 제야 라메 제발레 하즈 유메 데베 상계 참메바 다다 초조는 상계 찾아 라마 이덤 빠도메바 슈네 밀럼도 지간 기제에 개범에 받아라 자야라만디 체지 류지를 상계 탑 상라만 넣어 된 류소 뒤돌아져 거진 화담에도 그냥 받아 니 쉐다 선생은 능지 토라다베서 라마테 간에 제 나자 경에 주 라마테 대화도 미템 받텐다와 민바 로샤니 기도 지송나야 선규 라마레 메바 양양탄 받아 숨 갑들 라마테나야就是秋사와 자마 선디 세수리 되네 상월저와 된다 민버 법부여시 심어주고 동식이 르버체도 주로 탐에게 나왕가 냠 때문에도 있겠니 동식 잡아다 신점나 지금 유는 주주 더블 루르도 있겠니 무구 생행이 받다 라마 상계에서 공부하지 지럽체도 주고 내인
In the words of the Kagyu forefathers, if you see the Guru as a Buddha, you will receive a Buddha's blessing. If you see him as a Bodhisattva, you will receive a Bodhisattva's blessing. If you see him as a Siddha, you will receive a Siddha's blessing. If you see him as an ordinary person, a good spiritual friend, you will receive the corresponding blessings. If you have no devotion for him, you will receive no blessing whatsoever. First, thus there is no other Buddha to be found elsewhere who is superior to your own root guru. He is the combined essence of all the jewels throughout the 10 directions in 3 times. The positive qualities of the jewels are limitless, and all of them are the manifestations of this root guru. Not only that, all the individuals everywhere who are now working for the benefit of beings, the sun and moon, herbal medicines, and even boats and bridges are the guru's display. Considered anyone who has given you an empowerment, transmission, or instruction, even those who taught you to read and write, to be an expression of your root guru. In short, resolve that he is a Buddha. Second, no matter how amazing the Buddhas, Yidams, and Kagyu forefathers are, you have not seen their faces. You have not heard their speech. Even if you were to meet them, they could do nothing greater than what your guru does. Though there have been countless Buddhas in the past, and infinite Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, Gurus, and Yidams now dwell in the 10 directions, you have not had the fortune to meet a single one of them, even in a dream. But this root guru is teaching you the complete and unmistaken methods for attaining Buddhahood in one lifetime, in one body. Even if you ground your whole body into dust, you could not repay his kindness. Third, it should not be that you think about your guru when he pays attention to you, giving you teachings, gifts, and so forth, but forget about him when he is far away. You should not remember him when illness or misfortune occurs, but not when you are well. When you are walking, pacing, lying down, or sitting, whether you are happy or sad, at all times, no matter what occurs, think of nothing but the guru. Fourth, it should not be that you occasionally think of your guru and say, I go for refuge, or that you consider it amazing to recite a few supplications. Moved to tears and your hair standing on end, your longing should be so fervent that it is able to suddenly cast awareness aside, stop ordinary appearance, and produce an unidentifiable experience. When these four are present, that is the authentic doshan that makes you able to receive blessings and suddenly develop realization. The key to the rapid receipt of blessings is to meditate on the Guru as a Buddha.
Tia Chashin Gona, Lama Chuku Jamberme, Session Dana, Sabame the Johar, Nation Dana, Mengi Lama, Mengi La. During the Teta Te, Nyambo, Judy Kingur Kanda Kai, Zo Teta Yemedu Take, Kolungo, Moshe, Tuya Te, Te, Rinji Jare, Lamene Jugile, Sotabula, Tabuya, Yon Ino, Gajim, Jimba, the Chile, Simi, Teme, Bicham, Beba Chess, Tumedu, Yule, and Demiki. Tela Juzen to Chena, Income Chena, Lamata, Shun the Chunse Shena, Yumi Senior, Lodacom, T. Zadon, Narsaki, Sonam Tamsi, Chame, Tabashin, Roa Indo, Gajin Chena, Lamata, Shella, Kubaran Shuki, T. Yentam, Mabel Hundredun, Mugi Shama Kiagano, Kujola Chavada, Gindule, Ningur, Lunga, So Ginu Sane, Rangi Yende, Savandi, Lamano Mugi Kebra, Gavar Kuji. Rang Sonam Sabade, Laman Mugi Kebra, Gavar Kuji, Molamtam, Gobi Mugu, Mele Gavarso, Mugu Ravla Gejor, Dina Ding, Tamala, Gejori and Tamarju, Naru Miti Mila, Chayuba Swagi, Lametun, Gawa Chimber Gabi, Decone, Mudutava, Tendane, Rari Minu. Chime Mugu and Gegavi, send the nut in the Rimgi Lob Chubain.
Furthermore, if you are practicing Mahamudra, you should think of the Guru as the naked Dharmakaya. If you want to extend your life, think of him as Amitayus or White Tara. If you want to cure illness, think of him as the medicine Buddha. For duns, think of him as their remedy. You must view him as inseparable from the principal deities of any of the mandalas from the Tantras. This is the meaning of calling him the guardian of the mandala. Applying this similarly to other practices, they become a collection of activity practices for the Guru Yoga. Not being grateful is a sign of not valuing the Dharma. Without gratitude, all the efforts you do will be pointless and no qualities will arise in your mind stream. You will take that as a reason to cultivate wrong views, thinking, if you are audacious, that the Guru could not possibly have any good qualities, or if you're somewhat less so, that other Dharma practitioners could not. You will not have thus committed the first root downfall, and all the merit you have previously accumulated will be swept away as if with a broom. If you remember the Guru's kindness, dedication for him and the Dharma will naturally arise, and you will spontaneously develop all the positive qualities without effort. If true devotion does not come easily to you, you should gather as much merit as you can by offering to the three jewels, serving the Sangha, doing spiritual practice with your body, speech, and mind, and so forth. Then pray, by accumulating this merit, may I come to develop extraordinary devotion to the Guru. It is said that meditating in this way will immediately produce devotion. Those with the greatest devotion have the greatest spiritual practice. Those with average devotion have average practice, and the least devoted have the lowest spiritual practice. Naropa, Maitripa, Milarepa, Chayulwa, and others undertook great hardship for the sake of the Guru and achieved siddhi through that alone. We cannot be like them. Uncontrived devotion does not arise easily, so we are encouraged to train gradually, starting with supplication.
디레야 가수라다 저기 가장 쉬운 신기해 어느 저기 라마 지우수도 곰 엔디 종래 원실래야
As I mentioned yesterday, we visualize the Guru above the crown of our heads, and we imagine that we take the four empowerments from him.
다디 원시 레아데는 상하기 베네 텀즈를 창임 총비미나 아니 긴고르도 이담하에 긴고르도 쇼네 아니 던주 렘바사나라도 긴고르도 쇼네 왕레아지 다디 텀즈 냠바 쏘야레야 개첨부 인송어래
In taking the four empowerments, when we have transgressions of the Samaya of the secret mantra Vajrayana, if we then enter the mandala of the deity, if we do the self-entry or take the self-empowerments, then that is important for restoring these violations.
아니 드레인 유산 단 내려야 라메기 내숨네 라메기 다 간다 무슨 내숨네 왜서 까만팅 숨퇴 진제 관에다 분배왕다 상회왕다 실비시 왕톱 엔 타마들이야 양결 바지 내순 말베 아니 바지 왜서 총내 에너지 왕시베 이시 토야 되네 타마 라마 라신데 예메도 자 이러면 차례 단 디기 디행 아주 긴고도 쇼네 단주래야 되기 고추 예수
So we imagine that from the Guru's three places, the forehead, throat, and heart, there radiate out white, red, and blue lights. And by these lights radiating out and dissolving unto us, we receive the Va's, secret, and prajna wisdom empowerments. In the end, the light radiates out once again from the Guru's three places. And through this light, we receive the fourth wisdom, the wisdom of the fourth empowerment. Finally, the Guru and the Guru's mind and our own mind mix inseparably. And if we do this, this is effectively entering the mandala and receiving the self-empowerments.
대양 저기 튠실라면은 좀 더지미나 오늘잖아 튠실은 냠는 척와지래 아둘이야 아둘 튠이 치료로 튠이 전에 튠실 전에 냠는 척와 양 가시 지금 튠루 라면은 주사들이 어디 와래 튠 조도 전에 냠는 척 오늘 지나다 내 당부 봐 배는 참으로 듣는데 리셰베 끌려야 튠 조도지 않냐면 차례 야부여스 가라에서나 지게 가르쳐요 장가만 보여비치 이내야 튠수지 뉴뉴이더 근데 제비는 안돼 당부 발래 가르쳐다지 디스레라를 쳐가래 튠루라 매니저스들이 온디어래 튠실라 매니저스들이 온디어래 안드레인 주산에 다 오늘 들잖아 튠실은 냐면 샤와래디 이나다 튠실은 냐면 샤데 아주 가보셔도 안드레인 주산은 다 많다야 지금 니마지리아 아니 지금 사르지 냐면 샤와데 개좀 잘해요
So with our four-session Guru Yoga, actually it's a practice that we are supposed to do in the 4 sessions. This would mean 2 sessions in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. Sometimes we also have 6-session Guru Yogas, and these are practiced in 6 sessions during the day. Actually, for beginners, when we do retreats, doing 6 sessions is good. The reason for this is that even though there's a larger number of sessions, their duration is shorter. And so this is somewhat easier for beginners. The 4 sessions is sometimes a little bit difficult for people. And so in this way, we can either do a 6-session Guru Yoga or a 4-session Guru Yoga. In any case, it is important that sometimes it's even difficult for us to do 4 sessions of it per day. So at a minimum, we should at least do this once per day.
튠두 지에느냐면 제가 윤제 가라에서나 전주 선배 자동에 다가나시 상하로 자동대주 자동 주배 가사 상하리아 그라 지 담실이야 냠자 준비 걸이야 안 튠수에는 되나 안 다지 냠바서야 돼 갈라카브르 차리 유스레 제가 디유전 되네 가주에 튠수에는 만대 건다 튠수에는 되나 자동 차대야지 튠수에는 만대 거나야 자동 민교를 서머를 따들 진짜 선서 드제 용대야지 용대가 제가 디유전 된 튠수에는 냠는 차들 그거봐요 그래
Now, the reason why we practice for the durations of, for the sessions, or why we divide our practice into these sessions, is that with the root downfalls of the Bodhisattva vow, and also for the root downfalls of the secret mantra, or for violations of Samaya, if it goes beyond the duration of one's session between the time when we commit the downfall and when we restore it, then it's difficult to restore. It's said that if it goes beyond the duration of one session, then it becomes a root downfall. If it does not go beyond that duration, then it is not a root downfall. And so this is why it is important. This is why we should practice in sessions like this.
다음 너나 가르치러 다지 가장 쉬운 신기 대다디 계시슈디 단들이야 뭐티나 수만한 신기 때는 자야라만티 다 랑기 다레 랑기 자야라마당 엔대양 지 자야라마티야지 가사 직접지 뭐임 비치지 다디 추주기 상계랑 전주삼바 믿음 긴거리를 하죠. 다 간다. 이제 구조 군주더니 저송 군주더니 근데지를 야면가 찾고 알았어.
In brief, the most important thing is, as I described yesterday, with our root gurus, is that we do not see the root guru as being a single individual. Instead, we need to imagine that the root guru is the union of all of the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas of the 10 directions, the union of all of the gatherings of deities in the mandalas. So we think that he is the union of all of the jewels.
대량 미세도 아주 지 가르에 내년도 삼당과지 가르도스나 러니가 지 자야라마 지주도 거면 자야라마 대당 전에 다자가 때문에 투비야 왕보 다지 오예맥수도 거야 이게 좀 잘돼요래 가르에 사람 때문에 투비야 왕보 등 안주도 지 때문에 디 때문에 안드린 주산 디규전 때네 미세도 다지 다자가 또 투지jen다 안 장가자랑 뭐예매도 봐야돼 계속 샤디 가래 은 다는 신기 되네 타부르무치 타부르무치에다 랑가 자라마 이에메도 메네 타버도 간데 차신 공주 냠린 치베 걸어야 타부르무치다 랑가 자라마 이에메도 메네 다 근데 이에메도 메바치아티 계속 자도 그래 가르사나 초지네 네 냐면 타볼라지디 아주 타보그 유기 이제 대배 순세선한 다도 다가다지 타보 르무치메나 타보그 유메버데 드네 인주산 대규전데네 다 대배 타보선한 대배 순세선한 다가다 타보는 차대요 아래 라바르도 상기 좀 된대기 되네 타보 다요슈는데 망발라 지 차게 신비 대바 비오 롱대샤 도 차대요 제가 저 차게 신비 염려 챙겨지 속에 미세도 그냐면 타볼 하지다 한랑 사야라마 가서 뭐예매로 매바 차야지 개좀 좀 차대요
One thing that it's important to really stress is that it is very important to consider that our own root guru is inseparable in essence from our teacher, the Buddha Shakyamuni. And the reason for this is that the guru, the teacher Shakyamuni, is the founder of Buddhism, and so for that reason it is especially important to consider our teacher to be inseparable from the compassionate Buddha Shakyamuni. Likewise, it's also extremely important that we consider our own root guru to be inseparable in essence from Lord Gampopa, especially when we are practicing Mahamudra. It is important to consider them to be inseparable. From one perspective, this is because Gampopa is you could say, founder of the Dakpo Kagyu lineage. He is the progenitor, the founder of the Dakpo Kagyu, and without Gampopa, there would be no Dakpo Kagyu lineage. So he is like our founder or progenitor. And in particular, Gampopa was also predicted, prophesied by the Buddha, to spread the teachings of the Buddha. And so for that reason, especially when we are practicing the Mahamudra preliminaries, it is important for us to consider Gampopa and our root Lama to be inseparable in essence.
자야라마데 가르에 한게 자야라마다 응아기 되면 도지창 응아기 되면 도지창 다 오예매도 세네 다 감들 마시네 지 가르에 온 라마 임베지 남바데네 되면 도지창게 남바 도시 임베데 인주사네 간다 미세도 다 아주 응아기 되면 도지창 응아기 되면 도지창 세네다 간다 저 다자가 되봐 아직 가수에 도시창 남바 샤데아로 드리제샤 데이드스타네 대당 오예매도 매바 샤데 다 개심이 그래요 나 냠리체 나 냠리데 저거 샤디오로
It's also important to consider our root guru to be inseparable from the teacher of the secret mantra, Vajradhara. Actually, here we are visualizing one who is in our essence the root guru and in form Vajradhara. So it is particularly important to think of our guru as being the teacher of mantra Vajradhara. So we imagine that the guru is inseparable from our teacher who arises in the form of Vajradhara. And this is because of the close connection with the mantra teachings.
다드네 가만디 다 가르에 다다디 급수 봐봐 배나 가르에 다지 가만 감상기 제주 주거로 되미나 근데 지 감상 건도 쉐베 겁리야 다 가만 감상 때문에 당보디 에 지게 때문에 순제선이라도 때문에 당보디 반대 주좀 개발해 다 반대 주좀 개발하면 준비신도 규되버디 다 가만 보고 좀 혹시 차리 알아 다 가만 보고 좀 전도 다 미지기 소리 봐 개와야네도 제벌 마도 미지기 소리세 드린 뉴스안에 간다를 장게 딱 간다를 매봐 강화예배지 지 가만 봐 군진 가리미냐 대당 지금 예매도 배 유시체 대당 랑 자라마다 정 가만 봐 수수 군진 가려면이냐 대당 예매도 유시셔야 돼 계속으로 좀 정도
Lastly, in this context, as followers of the Karma Kamsam, when we do the preliminary practices of the Kamsam lineage, the Lord of the teachings of the Karma Kamsam, or the founder of these teachings, is the first Karmapa, Dusum Khenpa. And then, starting from him, there are all the incarnations of the Karmapa. In actuality, these are all one person who has repeatedly taken birth. And so you should imagine that your root guru is inseparable from whichever of the incarnations of the Karmapa you have the greatest feeling for, the greatest interest in. And so it is important for you to think of your root guru as being inseparable from any one of the incarnations of the Karmapa.
오야 든제 채탄다 지 오늘 좋은다 무기 소소리야 무기께야 채도 답배지 누버도 지도 뽕채 수수 몇바 예배지 라마다 지 간다 저 유이 라마 탐지 누버지도 뽕네 나 든제 제가 통하는다 그래 무기 관계계를 지다 다지 대박 관계계를 쳐야 돼 갑디 라면은 냠는 차 그든 소를 드리지 마라
The main thing is that we need to develop as much devotion as we can. We need to gather all of our forces together. We need to gather all of the forces of the root and lineage lamas together and use them to develop as much devotion as we can, to develop as much faith as we can. This is the primary purpose of Guru Yoga practice.
다이네야 예 다자야라 막 자야라 막 체제 아니 치디 다다 망부 표현송아 다와나 자야라 막 사데 컨디지레스체 게스티비나 가르잖아 미망부지 예자요한체 아니 예 자야라 막 수레스 enge zawela ma suina di kirang ala shero chis dinde shinye de mangbo yongde do
So I've been saying root guru over and over again. But the question is, well, who is your root guru? And this is and the reason I'm asking this is because many people come and they say to me, who's my root guru? Tell me who my root guru is.
다 예 자야람 뉴시차 깔아가고도 교란 자야라마 에너지 사전 딜리어레스 강바디나여레스 제제 지 가장제야 아드레스제야 깔아가고 니나요 이 자야라마 사데 컨디지레스 셰빈다 고데브르치 셰빈나 답데브르치 셰빈나 지당기 지 아주 저 최념의 증에 지 최리아 지 퇴성공성의 념의 증에 지금 뭐는 시험입니다. 소소지 최적 돈을 남되는 게 최적 돈에 현재의 라마 망부 요초래 지 지도에 봐 말해 망부 요초 다 된다면지 현재 예배 라마망보지 예배 나네 안다 달라마지기 오늘 고랑기 냠도 차는 예배냐 라마시니 개발도 파데 버지 셴엔 저도 이나 조데 감들이야 사라마사디 조디 거진이 차네 라마시니 개발도 파데 봐 소소는 오늘은 다 인지계를 개베네 personal connection som다지 소소 겔리아 미세게 다가를 투자와다 다는 신기 지 거진 첨부여야 봐 다 된지기 라마디 안 버지 랑자 라마레시 문지 채비나 드디아루시
It's difficult for me to say who your who your root guru is. I can't really say, oh, he's in this place, this house, this is the address, go to this place. Well, so then what do we mean by root guru? Well, if we talk about this in a way that's easy to understand, to explain it simply, when we are someone who practices Dharma by listening, contemplating, and meditating, then there will be many gurus, many lamas who give us guidance in terms of the Dharma. We won't just have one guru, we'll have many different gurus. But of all the gurus with whom we have Dharma connections, there may be one who has greater experience or realization than the others. And we could say that it's that one. But I think the main thing is that the root guru is the guru who has been kindest to us, kindest than all of the other gurus. We can say that it's the guru to whom we have a personal connection, for whom who has a particular affection for us and has displayed the greatest kindness for us. And I think it's fine if we say that that guru would be our root guru.
Today this ane Sagalama Sadi Chi number Diam Nangi Sona Senado Ji Nangi Kandar Sem Nangi Ji Sona Senado Sem Nangi Pinzungi Taji Sentani Wime energy simnalia ji 오늘 저녁에 가수로다지 다조 심단에 니보에메 세모르베 다 들지 딱 봐야 돼 계속이라래 샤 something도 배차샤베이미나 냐메 다볼라지 냐메 다볼라지 당보 딱하다 냐메 다볼라지 저도 중네 당보 까담발레 슈그레 까담발레 슈네 이제 주사네 까담베 기회 신이 안베 년라지 망고요래 아이네야 타마들이야 다보로 무시지 로서르디 과 패스드 과 페르스나 아니 밀레레바 구니베 밀레레바디 디주산다 낸조버스레 낸조버스나다 다가다 바 세상 맞지 태가시아빈다 미견르지 미게지기 대야 기부 미게 기부 서마르 다 드르지기 군들라 친체 뇽중도 시제 다 간다 밀레레버 뇽중소르 제제 안 가다지 미세게 콘로 곰바스게 즈부지 요 말에 다나 신기 콩기 땡데네 게니에레 마도 러브도 중하게 요 말에 다나 신기 ene kadambi gwendeti junalolea ji ma shungde chenye ji na philosophical somarwe ji nambe gi chölea chö tsini gi shungde zolea chenye cha ju dinde ge yo man handa ji milare bade tu na ki bon cheje ngunra bo tenda gur tensara da ngurdi shesar ju do wa ai tegar shesana si 시엔으로 되네 룬더블랜 슈디오르다 룬더블랜 로마트를 레선 룬더랜 슈도르마도 베자시에네 바다네 베지디 우만한테 시에야 버진한테 시에야 그래서 슈디오마르 봐 이내야 다보는 뭐지 밀레레베 센터바sam기 코라 투리야 지 대바 총선한다 미세가 소화총 아니 밀레르 군주패 레르 군주패네 다 나와 숨쉬지도 슈베 루기시거래 나왕을 주스다 숨쉬스 가서 쇼이래 쇼래 간다 타마 들리야 간다를 다보는 무시기 라마 탐지게 나네 개치슈 자치슈 잠내 털도 그때 밀레르 잘
So basically, fundamentally, we don't need to look outside of ourselves to see who the root guru is. We need to look at our own internal feelings. What feelings do we have in our minds? What experience do we have in our mind? Do we feel like there's some sort of a mutual closeness or affection or not? So that's the primary thing. We need to examine to see if there's any feeling for that feeling in our minds. Like we can take, for example, the peerless Gampopa. Gampopa first went forth, became a monk, and he entered the Kadampa tradition. There are many famous Kadampa spiritual masters. But in the end, who did he end up going to? The one he ended up going to was Milarepa. And so at that time, Milarepa was just a yogi. If we really say it colloquial, Milarepa was a layperson. He was an old layperson. He was very humble. He didn't have any big, impressive monastery. He didn't have large numbers of monks. He had the lay vows. He was not a monastic. And so, at that time, in the Kadampa monasteries, they studied a lot of philosophy and philosophical texts in Buddhist philosophy and the characteristics and logic and so forth. But with Milarepa, there was none of that. He just spent his time in a relaxed and carefree manner, and singing songs, or you could say singing tunes. The student would come to him, and he would sing the student a song. There is no. He never said, "Oh, this is what is said in the text on Madhyamaka. This is what is said on the text on Prajnaparamita." There was none of that. And yet, when Gampopa first heard Milarepa's name, he immediately felt faith. He had a strong feeling in his mind. So he went to Milarepa and he spent 3 or 4 months, or maybe it was 5 or 6 months. In any case, however long he spent there, in the end, among all of the gurus that Gampopa had, the most significant for him, the one who was his ultimate refuge, was Milarepa.
나주직 자야라면 세비나 안 파지 치 남발 도나시우치로 라마데 깨라치 좀 가제도 라마데를 공바치 좀 가제도 라마데를 코 머뇽 가제도 아니지 라마티 동바 제본도다민도 와지 안 다나신기 라마티 지 꾸인도다면도 그봐 지 슝데서 셰싱도다면도 지 사르 지 꾸인 캠바 가지 예원도면도 아들 내려다가 마도베 라마티 오늘 차네게 투규 또바 도민도 사르버지다 안 다나 신기 가르지 조지 소수 뇌네 지 라마텔리아 다 가르쇼에 균세메 발레야 지 가르쇼에 라마텔레야 오늘 라마 칸라 지 대바 랑기 끼거도 된제 마다시 녜레야 지 가르쇼에 다지 총칸지는 저댕게 소시 녜라 버잘라데라 때 애는 요고도 다음에도 다댕게 소시 얼바다 맞아 녜 잘라서 보다 아니 녜 나완 주도는 녜 나완 주도는 유샤 근데 저봐 총간을야 총자가 저댕게 소시 나 조다 라마 세마스야데 조다 소술이야 다치 총간의 소수체 소수기 가르쳐 다지 대바 소수를 대바 노르니에 봐서 말어 대바 상고지도 도다 민도 안 된제가 토네 간다라지 된제베 랑 규리예베 대바도 무기 치즈미야 봐 대주지기 라마 상부지다 지 제사레 말에 다 중국으로 봐. 다띵 아주 매.
But that's not how we are. When we look for a root guru, we look at the externals. We look to see how famous is the guru? How big is the guru's monastery? How many followers does the guru have? Is the guru's face handsome or is the guru's or not? Or we look to see what sort of education does the guru have? What sort of qualities? What philosophy? What texts do they know? Actually, we never really end up looking to see whether that guru has developed any experience or realization within their being or not. And primarily, we never really look for our own part to see whether we feel faith or have a feeling or connection with that. We don't see whether that guru is someone for whom we naturally develop faith or not. We don't even look at this. It's as if we are going shopping for a guru. We go into a store and we look at the things and decide to buy it or not. If we like the way it looks, we buy it. If we don't like the way it looks, then we leave it. But really, when we're looking for a guru, we need to be examining ourselves. You should be your own store and look at yourself and see, do you have that wealth of faith or not? Do you have that good faith or not? How much faith is welling up? How much devotion is welling up within your beings? And that is what really determines whether this will be a good guru for you or not. And yet this is what we lack.
이내가 제 다가는 신기 아주 자라마지 가르다지 자라마데 빼나 자라 녀아 섭시미나 얘네들 녀아 세발라 소설리야 빼샤도 다가는 대바다 무기도 너도면도 따오로 되면나 아니 녀도 말아 돼 도구 말아 봐 내려지 임이라.
So before we go to a store and buy something, we have to see, have we got the money or not? If we don't have the money, then we can't buy anything. It's similarly when we go to find a root guru. It's like we have to see, have we got the money? Have we got the faith or devotion or not? And if we don't, we won't be able to get anything.
미망무지리야데 사회라면 이거면도세 심대신이 망고도 다 처진 카면도 지 남된신이 수술 최저 남된신이 매버치제 지 디 강에 여버래 신도 따이네 오늘 전에 이제 수술이야 대바다 타나 무기 이디 여비미나 사야라마 ям 제라마 미니베 강에 초칭네 매베 소식 이제 가르레슬라비미나 상계의 전수마 탐지에 간다 지 심지에 되는 주야라베 구네 대야르스 아까서도지 심지에 되는 주야스 관도 공네 다 간다베 인생 뒤로 서마르 다 가도 이네베 공부 시제대 쇼도야르스 다이네 아주 고난주 구네 대야르데 이미나 아주 고급 뭐비나 아니 제 상계의 전수마 뒤쪽에 아니 잘해 나한테 매버 다 고급된 아주 피우고 그래서 빼나 다 드네 인주산 땅 아주 대바디 대바 귤이 대바도 무기게 하대 다 고급 피 라마다 상계의 전수마 뒤쪽으로 고급 피 그래서 다 빼나 찾으면디 아주 고쳐 뭐 개고는 시죠 대바도 무기게 인주산 개고듯이 아니 7월 2일 믿으자 나로를 웰컴 chen 나로를 거수슈니 수화chen 나페쇼스 대고마세 봐 고겸니 7월 미 고가서 동대네 답에 고데 마시지 대 주산 안 탑시스게요 제가 아니 상계를 전주서 못해서 제 탑교보를 제제 아니 7월에 그래서 내려 괴자들라 배 구세 쇼디아지 다 계시 대바도 무기 곧 채토 정이면 아는 예 산업 바지 상계 전수부터 상계 견패 무슨 진행 유산에 조 대바도 무기당 다나유매 진짜지를 알려 보면 로삼천
But there are many people who don't feel like they can find a root guru. And for one perspective, it's not really their fault. You can't blame them because they don't, it can be difficult. I understand that it's difficult if you don't feel like you have a guide who can bring you down the road, bring you in the direction of Dharma. But the main thing is that if we have faith, devotion, and pure perception, then I don't think it will be difficult to find a guru at all. And the reason for this is that the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas are all just waiting to do something to benefit sentient beings. They're waiting there for us. They're waiting for the opportunity to do this. It's like they're waiting all day and all night, 24/7. They're waiting to bring benefit to sentient beings. But if we do not give the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas an opportunity, then there's absolutely no way that the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas can help us. We need to give them the chance. By developing faith and devotion, then we're giving a chance to the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. It's like there's a big gate. If there's a large gate, if you have faith and devotion, then you can open that gate, and everyone from outside can come in, and you can welcome them. You can make them feel welcome and give them a good reception. But if you don't open that gate, then just wait. Those people outside are waiting outside at the gate. No matter how much they beat on the gate, if you don't open the gate, there's nothing that they can do. So it's like the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas are waiting outside of that gate. And unless we open that gate with our faith and devotion, if we do open that gate with our faith and devotion, then the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas will push their way in. And so the main thing is that we need to have faith and devotion and pure perception.
다는 신기 배나 그래도 야와 이 기다리자 What's wrong? 서로 12단바 12시기 다다디야 아네 미세도 아 개디 랑기 랑 짜야라마 되지게 많이 비나 아니야 심레스다 샤마르스 카레사나 ngar chuen simbege bena tabulaji dang duzum kemba dang gwesang bala soba teda tamje gi 가르송 됐으나 마음 발이야 지 가사 가실래야 지 자외라마 지 수준 문제 전에기다 에 메바 시도 제 자외라마 텐데 지단 라마 여베체 이나다 지 딱 자외라마 성물을 다지 오늘 전에가 다지 수수기 무 첨부지야 근데 자외라마 뭐 마저 임비나 아니 가르에 냐메 타보기 베나 규베기 롱 타베임이나 제네 손데 안 타볼라지 자라마 숨비나 안 처럼 주고 있어 와 셰셰나 드네미 인두산 디균산 데네 가르에다 ngar chuen simbe ji lama tizuli zawa lamar sungne mugri chebe yimina madribi yamanas
In particular, as is said here, if you don't feel that you're able to find a root guru, then there's no need to worry about this. And this is because great masters of the past, such as Gampopa, Dusim Khenpa, Gunsampa, and so forth, have all said that in the future, if there are some individuals who are unable to find a root guru, for whom they are able to develop really true strong devotion, someone who they can feel really powerful devotion, then from the moment they receive a transmission from the tradition of Gampopa, then they can consider Gampopa to be their root guru. And so this is so in this way we can consider these gurus of the past to be our root gurus and develop devotion for them.
Taine kapdilia chik tsaya lama ten, labar tsaya lama ten bekore, zodi chik emotional samarwa da chik, semla tsoa da chik, teba da mugila sobe, semsor, digi di keshim bishib chadi yore di, yinaya, ane chik, intelligent samarwa da chik, namshu, tang, shira pechu tsana mewa di chagoma, namshu da shira ngebardo pechu chagoma, labar du chik, lama tsini da deme da chik takche che dagas chik chowa jibu thoran zhuwa mayi ba takche che gyu da menga khashe nan sung yuwa re goba chungnas lo chungi yi pa takche che go res dere sung yuwa re da ine di takche che sa de jilu che dang jire di jilu che dang shen guya de ge shibu shibu cha re takche che tsini da denpare dom takche che yin dubi san mi ki gyun kyang kyang tse che ka shui ji mi di ki be gyun di ma dun yun ne samare mi li ya ji nye guo de yang suru ji chang chu de yang suru ji dinde ji di takche kab di li ya dinde ji kwaya yo ma zo di 原定的强度的面这大过的开始不是强嘛的民哪不懂啊的马的民哪不学习大过呗拉美给拉嘛这俺大姐切他们这里啊大姐没的哪不懂啊是不是告诉我真的是给这些我们
So when we are looking for a root guru, we're looking for a guru in general, then primarily we need to go on how it feels emotionally. What is the feeling that we have in our mind? But this does not mean that we shouldn't use our own intelligence and our own prajna. That's not what it means. We do need to examine. We do need to use our own intelligence and our own prajna and discernment. So we need to examine them. This means that we don't only use our feelings, or we don't only go by our feelings and emotions, but we do also need to examine the guru. This is why it is said in some tantras, in some pith instructions, that if there's the need, then one should examine for up to 12 years. But when we talk about examining the guru, we need to understand what the method of examining the guru is. How should we examine the guru? Because if we only look for faults in a person, we're only looking for their bad aspects, their bad faults. If we're looking only for bad faults, then eventually we're going to... it's important for us not to mistake the motivation. It's not important for us not to let our motivation become mistaken. So if we only look for the bad aspects, then that is all we're going to find. Primarily what we need to do is we need to look to see whether or not they have good qualities or not. And so, because if we're looking for someone, if we are looking to see if they have any secret faults or to find out if they're really truly a scoundrel, that is not really what we should be looking for.
다들 레르지미라 나도 샤르드 레르지미라 나도 샤르드 레르지안 지르 샤르드 드린데 버지 주고요래 드린데 알사디 예든 좀에 주고요래 선이 되시라면은 저 티샤이브래
So that is enough for the morning session. And this afternoon we will continue and we will probably complete the Torch of True Meaning.